Here we go!
To get to the waterfall, we ended up hiring a local guide. He went with us on a chicken bus to the start of the trail, and we for sure would not have found it by ourselves. The ride was about 30 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. I actually really like chicken buses. They're cheap, they look super cool, and they're always covered in stickers, more specifically, Jesus stickers, and they're hilarious to me. I love them so much.
We'll get some papers.
Okay, bye. From there, the trail was super easy. It was all downhill. The only bad thing about that is we had to go uphill on the way back. Oh, there it goes. So when we were there, they were in the process of building a pay station, and even though it wasn't done, they still made us pay to enter. There's a few different waterfalls to explore here. We have the little ones. This one forms the perfect natural slide. Then we have the big one. There are also two medium ones a little bit further back. We only made it to one because the path to the other was very sketchy. We spent most of our time at this waterfall because it was the perfect height to jump in, and the surroundings were just beautiful. We were obsessed with it.
Yeah!
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Jonni, all you did was jump in the water. How does that make you a monkey? Can monkeys even swim? And to answer your question, yes, some of them can. And I am one of those types of monkeys. Hope that helps. So, if you're looking for something to do in El Salvador, I highly recommend this place. It was worth the money, it was worth the trip, it was a great day overall. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help me out, and I appreciate it. Anyway, have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.